Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pluto TV, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Pluto TV, start by downloading the app on your device. Open the app once the download is complete. Select the Get Started option on the welcome screen. Next, read through the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you agree, tap on Accept. Now you will see a screen with activation instructions. Take note of the activation code displayed. Visit the Pluto TV activation website on a separate browser. Enter the activation code in the designated field. Log into your Pluto TV account or create a new one if needed. Once logged in, click on the Activate button. Check the app on your device for a confirmation message. If the activation was successful, you will see all available content. If not, double-check the activation code and try again. Ensure your device is connected to the internet. After re-entering the code, click Activate again. You should now have full access to Pluto TV. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.